Hello everyone. Today we will start with how to create Windows EC2 instance in our AWS environment. In last video we create the Linux EC2 instance. Okay, so creation of EC2 instance of Windows operating system on Amazon Web Series. Okay, so the first step is to log in our AWS console. Okay, so click on see here if we have already any, so we have not any EC2 instance is running. So click on EC2 dashboard, click on launch instance. Okay, give a name, Windows. So okay, so browse the ME, choose the ME. See here, so I am choosing this one. Okay, Windows Server 2022. Please ensure that this is a comes under the free tier eligible criteria. Okay, I'm selecting this one, or I may select it. The next step is choose the instance type. In previous video I briefly told that what is the instance type. Instance type is the combination of processor and RAM. Okay, so always verify that also this also comes under the free tier eligible. Okay, there are different types of instance types. One of them, this is a T2 micro, which is comes under the free tier eligible. So I choose, so here it's the T2 family. It's one virtual CPU, 1 GB of RAM. Okay, for now I choose this one. So now I'm creating the key pair. You know why we create the key pair? This is the key to access our EC2 instance. Okay, I just giving the name Windows key. You can give any name. So I downloaded the .pem format, .pem key format. Okay, for Windows. Okay, it's downloaded. The second part is security group. In see here, in Linux instance it's a SSH, but in Windows, to connect the Windows system, the RDP protocol, RDP port is used to connect the Windows system. Okay, so it is like same. So allow this. I am using creating a new security group. So see here, this required minimum 30 GB of disk storage. Okay, so don't edit this, don't do that. 30 to 30 to 30, otherwise it's cross the free tier limit of 30 GB and you get a bill from AWS. Okay, so do it as it is. The next step is number of instance 1. Okay, don't edit to two instances. If you create two Windows EC2 instances, it's cross the 30 GB of disk limit. Okay, and launch the instances. Now our Windows EC2 instances is created. Okay, see, reload it. It's take some time. creating. Here all the related information to our EC2 instance is here. So this is the availability zone. It's in AP South 1A. So Mumbai is the region, and in one region there are minimum two or maximum more than two availability zone. Okay, so one of them, so Mumbai have around three availability zone. Okay, so one of them our EC2 instance is created. I reload it. So our instance is in a running state. Okay, this is the instance ID. Every instance have a unique instance ID. This is the instance type, the combination of RAM and the processor. Okay, this is the public IP version 4, DNS public IP version 3, elastic IP, monitoring disabled, security group. This is a security group. This is key name. Okay, launch time, when we our server is launched. Okay, refresh it. See here, let's take some time. Yeah, once 2x2 check is passed, that means our server is created successfully. Okay, in upcoming videos I will tell you what is this 2x2 check passed. Okay, so now we have to connect our Windows server. So how we will connect? So first click on the server, then go to the connect. Okay, go to the RDP client. Okay, then to enter in our Windows system is use password authentication mechanism. Okay, in Linux system we see that we require the key pair, so it's a passwordless authentication. So Windows support the password authentication. Okay, now see, to get the password, what's the process for that? Click on Windows server, go to connect, go to RDP client. Okay, click on the get password. Okay, upload the private key. Which is the private key? Which we are downloaded, this one. Oh, no, this one. And decrypt the password. Please copy this password and save it on your system on safe place. Or I save here. This is the password. Okay, now this is download this remote desktop file. Okay, so this is my remote desktop file which is used to connect our Windows EC2. So click on that and click on connect. This is my Windows system, so I can connect it through, see here, it's asking for password. Okay, so this is my password which I decrypt from here. Okay, Okay, yes. See here, this is configuring. This is a Windows server. For first time to start, it takes some time. See here, this is completely look like a Windows machine. So this is how we can create a Windows EC2 instance and how we can uh, access that. This is a simple way. See, this is completely look like a Windows server. You can, this is basic information about our Windows EC2 instance. Okay, for now I just close this. The next step is the best practice is after completing your practice, please don't forget to terminate the instance. I am terminating my instance. Okay, then I am deleting my keep here. Delete. After that I am deleting my security group which I created during launching the Windows EC2 instance. This is this is the default uh, security group, okay, which is created by AWS. I created this one, so I am deleting this. So, rectify that. So see here, our server is terminated. Okay, so this is how we can create a Windows EC2 instance in our AWS environment. Thank you for watching my video. If you please like and subscribe my if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Okay, in further video, in a upcoming video we will learn more about the EC2 instance. Okay, thank you guys.